I finally have this working, kind of. There's the eyes, look at them. They go open. Let's have a look around. This is all powered by this. Is a problem and will get fixed. These are currently running the eyebrows themselves and they're twitching because they don't have enough strength. They're going through PTFE tubes to the actual blinkers themselves, and when you press a button, but they're stuttering because they silly. The eyes themselves are controlled with some 99R servos, so they're a bit bigger. And I've got the back going with the left and right, up and down. And again, you can see the kind of up and down blinkers. Up for the eye, down for the eye, left, right. Pretty obvious, I guess. That's pretty much it. So I'm going to go and upgrade these servos to the same servos that are running the eyes, and that annoying noise will go away. Yeah, it's just an Arduino with a servo controller and the things. Oh, hi.